When you start eating sweet potatoes every day, several things can happen. Improve nutrient intake. Sweet potatoes are a nutritious food packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Regular consumption can increase your intake of vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, and fiber, among other nutrients. These nutrients play essential roles in supporting overall health, immune function, and digestion. Enhance digestive health. The fiber content in sweet potatoes can promote a healthy digestive system. It adds bulk to your stool, aids in regular bowel movements, and supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. This can help prevent constipation and promote a healthy gut environment. Blood sugar regulation. Despite their sweet taste, sweet potatoes have a relatively low glycemic index compared to regular white potatoes. This means they are less likely to cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. The fiber content and complex carbohydrates in sweet potatoes contribute to steady energy release and can be beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar levels. Antioxidant benefits. Sweet potatoes are rich in antioxidants, such as beta-carotene, which gives them their vibrant orange color. Antioxidants help protect the body against free radicals, which can cause cell damage and contribute to chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. Consuming sweet potatoes regularly can provide a good dose of antioxidants to support overall health and well-being. Weight management. Sweet potatoes are relatively low in calories and high in fiber, making them a satisfying food choice. They can help you feel full for longer periods, potentially aiding in weight management or weight loss goals. However, it's important to consider portion sizes and overall calorie intake as part of a balanced diet. Variety in diet. Incorporating sweet potatoes into your daily meals can add variety to your diet. It can be a versatile ingredient used in various dishes, including roasted, mashed, baked, or added to soups and stews. Adding variety to your diet ensures you consume a wider range of nutrients and prevents monotony in your meals. Remember, while sweet potatoes offer numerous health benefits, it's always important to maintain a balanced diet with a variety of foods. Consulting with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian can provide personalized advice based on your specific dietary needs and goals.